On this week's episode of SRS, the Type X180 starts for the first time in 8 years.
But first, do some upgrades on BRUH. Let's get into it!
Whoa. Yeah. Wow, these are like ninja outfits.
Can't even hear him. Daniel. There's one axis. There's two axes. There's three axes. I got ackies. I got ackies everywhere. Oi, bruh.
Go on, Daniel, talk about it.
I did. Oi, bruh, work up, bruh. Look at my car, bruh.
Okay, so we've got BRUH in again. Little 33 sedan.
Four-door boy.
Series 2 front. It's quite nice.
George, do you know why you have four doors?
More claws. Kittens. Initially it was just in for a head gasket replacement, not because it was blown, just as a upgrade. Potentially looking to push, potentially wants to up the power in the near future or in the future. So ARP head studs and Nitto head gasket. So got that done yesterday. While we were in there, found some strip bolts in the manifold, some snap bolts in the manifold, some questionable wiring, just a few little things here and there that we just sort of noticed as we were pulling it apart. So we fixed those up while we were going. And now we're just going to put it the rest of the way back together, eh?
Yes, we are.
In the freezing cold.
It's been very cold. Very cold.
For my little legs.
Yes. So that's what we're doing. That's what we've done.
That's what we're up to.
And then hopefully
have Tyso's running this week.
Yeah, hopefully Tyso's car. Once we got this together, we're going to jump onto that and get that running. Got to wire the IAT, drain the tank, put fresh fuel in it, and then load a base map, and it should just...
Should punch
that's the plan anyway, so let's go. By Smoker.
Let's do it, my boy.
Let's get doing it, my boy.
I said we're going to get to it.
I said,
get to it. Gonna get to it. If your station is not an organised situation, you're going to run into issues down the track, you know, with not being able to find tools and whatnot. So we like to keep them very organised, very laid out. You got that 10 mil?
Yeah, what do you want?
I thought we had like 3. Yeah, cheers, bro. See, like I said, we keep all our tools organised and in the one spot. From what I gather, we've got a ring on top and a ring underneath. I like it, so I'm not going to put a ring on it, but I think I know where it goes. Boy! I am on. George man's weird.
Okay.
Hello.
It's SRS again.
It's time to get SRS with you all.
On the other end of this camera lens.
33 sedan is all done.
BRUH.
BRUH. 33 sedan is all done. Much better, running a lot less like a bag.
Actually sounds like a car.
Doesn't sound like a lawnmower now. Head gasket's all done, studs are all done, obviously. I've just run the wiring for the IAT sensor on Tyson's car. Literally just powered up the ECU for the first time as well, so...
You're making it weird. Now the white car's done, George, man. We're going to jump over to the red car again.
Back to the red car.
Weird.
Yeah. So the IAT's wired. Just got to pin it into the ECU now. And then I'm going to hook up the Y band. And then...
How wide is it?
We just got to sort of drain the fuel tank, put some fresh fuel in it, and then we can probably start it either this afternoon or first thing in the morning. We should be hearing this thing run.
Baron.
So I'm going to continue doing that.
Got another rock cover dropped off, so we can, because that one's all pretty and painted already, so we're going to have to put AN fittings for the catch can at the back of the rocker cover. So essentially we'll Welsh plug them, bung them, welder fitting, and then we're making the catch can to sit over in this corner, sort of over here, in this little fenced off, roped off. It's a roped off area. Bunted. I've got bunting around here so no one else comes into my construction site. Dial before I dug, there's nothing below me. Now I'm just making it weird, George. Yeah. It's a great way to stay in shape. That was meant to be at home.
All right, so we got, you can't see,
anything.
but you'll see the footage, I guess, won't you? Yeah. We got the Typex.
I worked out like they wouldn't see it, but George must have good B-roll. It's only when he walks out, he's that big goes, we've done something.
So we've got
George.
Tyson's Typex 180. We got it started for the first time earlier this morning, so we got
I heard it was first time in 8 years or something.
First time in 8 years this car's had a running engine in it. Blacktop S14 Turbo SR20. Stock bottom end head gasket studs. G30 770 turbo. 6-piece manifold. 1000cc injectors.
Yeah.
That's about it. Nice little Haltech Elite 1500 controlling it all with a wiring specialties harness. So super easy startup really. Just plugged it in and
just went
away she went.
What's that called?
Carrying on.
Yeah, moving on.
Yeah,
anyway, Friday.
Everything seems good. Good oil pressure. Sounds good. Nice and smooth.
Sounds beautiful.
No rattles, no knocks. Not even a VCT.
Not even
rattle.
a VCT.
Not even.
Yeah, well done.
Yeah, so it's all sweet. So from here, Daniel's currently modifying the rocker cover to take some AN lines so we can run them to a catch can. To pretty much get the catch can done, and we've got a couple coolant lines to just button up.
We were going to put the front back together,
Yeah.
but I believe Tyson just wants a Type X front bar, so we're not even going to bother with the pig nose.
From here, tidy up those few things and ship it over to Mick, get a tune put in it. It's only 85 now, so probably 350 is all we're looking for, 350 horsepower. Make it a nice streeter.
Linear.
Nice linear
Nice
streeter.
linear.
So that's it.
That's
Had
it.
my car in, got the dump pipe tucked up a little bit because when it was the 30, that dump pipe that was on it was originally made for that when it was a 25-30, and then the 30 bottom end spun a bearing. So then I put a forged 25 bottom end in it and never adjusted the dump pipe. And so between the RB30 and the RB25, there's a 40 mil height difference above the water pump.
You wouldn't read about it.
So that means when I bolted my exhaust up, because I was in a rush, I just wanted to get the car back together and I didn't adjust anything, it meant that my exhaust hung down 38 mil lower than it should have. So it was quite low.
Not good.
Got that
Not
knocked
good.
up. Yeah, got that fixed, and then also knocked up a quick little dose pipe for it. So
About
it'll
the
make
only
the
thing we'd
hectic-
knock up, eh?
knocked it up. It'll make the flutter noises, and that's about it. So
Thanks for coming.
thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you, George, for filming the video.
Thank you, George,
for editing the video.
Coming out here and abruptly interrupting us.
So this is an outro, and I hope you all have a lovely weekend. No, it's Monday when you're watching this. Hope
Is
you
it?
had a lovely weekend.
Good
because we
work,
did.
bro. Hope you had a good weekend. We always do.
We always do. That's it. Hooroo.
Hooroo.
See you later.